Radio Flyer's 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon is designed as a full-sized wagon for 2 kids that folds compactly. With an easy one-hand fold, you can take or store the wagon anywhere. The wagon features 3 modes: 2 kids riding, flatbed hauling, and bench seating. Simply unhook the side panel to move the wagon from hauling or riding mode into bench seating mode. The thick, padded seat provides a comfortable ride, while the telescoping handle offers easy transport when folded. The DuraClean fabric is durable and can be easily wiped clean. It also features quiet ride tires and 2 cup holders attached in front. Maximum weight capacity 150 pounds. For ages 1.5+ years. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 3 wagons in 1. This collapsible wagon has 3 riding features: hauling, 2 rider seating and bench seating. Easily transform from hauling to bench seating with the zippers on the side of the wagon. Number 2. Folds for storage. Easy one-hand fold allows convenient storage. This wagon is portable and can be stored or taken anywhere. Folded wagon dimensions: 7 inches length by 18.5, width by 32.68, height. Number 3. Safe for kids. Radio Flyer wagons pass the ASTM F96313 toy safety standard. This wagon includes seat belts and a padded seat. Number 4. Storage capacity. The wagon can haul up to 150 pounds of kids or cargo. It also includes a rear storage loop and 2 front cup holders. Number 5. Specifications. Assembled product dimensions: 39.4, length by 21.2, width by 32.7, height. Recommended for kids 1.5+ years. Maximum weight capacity 150 pounds. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.